Hey everybody, it's Grant and welcome to my 5th installation of Build and Sell Real Estate. Currently right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 houses getting built and 1 getting finished up. It is the 2nd house and we're talking about the 5th build. It's not finished yet. Anyway, you know, maybe I'll vent a little bit in this video. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. And you know what, let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. This cleanliness of this job site, well, it's, you get what I think it is. I'm busy. So as I said, this is the 5th installation of my build and sell, not build and keep, real estate. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this right now. I have made some mistakes. I have let some mistakes happen. My contractor in a build, because I want to start talking more about profits. So I've done this in the 7th video, and I'll do it as well in the 6th video and all the other videos as well. There is a house that you've already seen by the time you've seen this video, and I made 4,000 bucks on it after, you know, literally working on it for 6 months. I think it took 7.5 months to build that house. That's not smart profits. It's too dangerous, because if you lose 20,000 bucks versus, you might be thinking, well, great, you made some money. You don't understand. The scary part is, ooh, maybe we could have really lost some money, right? Maybe the house would have sat. Maybe the house wouldn't have closed. And there's just so many things that could go wrong with it, especially with materials and all the crazy things that we're having in today's world. But this house is another one that is already under contract. This is a house that we are building for someone. Technically, there's still specs, but I truly feel, and I'm gonna try and coin the custom spec phrase, but one of my favorite things about this house is it has huge picture windows. So these windows right here are some of the favorite windows I've ever seen us do in a house. I'm always gonna be a big sucker for that big, beautiful glass. All those really tall ceilings and big master closets and big old frickin' fat kitchen islands, so that way you have plenty of room for entertaining. So now that we're doing this home tour, these ceilings are absolutely gorgeously high, right? This is a closet, I think, or a pantry. This house, the plans, I just don't see it yet. Like, so it's kind of fun. Even though I do this every single day, we're talking, you guys get to see the sheetrock and things start coming together. I feel the same way about this one. So I didn't look at the plans super heavy on this one because it's for a customer. The ones that I'm going to be building, not for a customer, I study the crap out of them. But when it comes to these, I just kind of go with the flow, because there's very, very low risk of me getting stuck with the home if the buyer doesn't actually go through with it. And there's a ton of penalties for those kinds of things. So I don't know what that is. And I also don't know what's kind of going on in the kitchen here. I think they might want a wet bar right here, and then you're gonna have your standard kitchen over here. So now, welcome to the giant living room, which is gonna be very, very nice. I'm curious to see what we're gonna do with the island on this one, because we don't have a working island set up, so I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be either no island, which that's a no-no for me, but I'm curious to see how that goes. Also, we just finished putting in the electrical and plumbing and the AC ductwork. So as always, I want to save the best for last. So I'm also going to save that garage because I really like what we did with it. But let's go on this side of the house and show you the bedrooms and all the other fun specs on it. So here we are in a very large bedroom with a very large closet. I'm really pumped about this one. If I had this big of a window in my bedroom, I'd be super pumped. That natural light, because I'm a morning person, but it takes me getting up. So I have I'm the guy with 17 alarms, right? I know my weaknesses, don't judge me. This is a massive closet as well. So check out this massive closet, got this beautiful, beautiful natural light. And I'm telling you, I really love what we're doing here, right? You gotta love what you do. This is gonna be the bathroom that everybody's gonna share. You're gonna have a big old his and hers sink right here. You got the water closet. No, there's no closet because there's no door, but it's a toilet. You know, there's where you poop, right? You saw that, the joke earlier. Was it funny? Was it? Maybe, possibly. If it wasn't, pity laugh. All right, so I'm just being stupid. So this house is just over 2,000 square feet. It is a massive 3-bedroom, which normally we build 4s, but when it's custom for a customer, you know, whatever they want, we're gonna do it. You know, you gotta pay for it, right? But we're gonna do it. So this is probably something that I don't find functional, but I think it looks cool. I think it looks pretty, right? So outside, you saw all those beautiful gables, those beautiful different pitches to the roof. Well, this is how they did with their garage. Personally, I might have a little PTSD from this because my father used to drive in a garage that was very similar to this, and he would break his mirrors off of his truck all the time. And in the car business, yeah, you gotta fix it, right? And so, as long as you're careful, you're good. But you know, right? But I still think it looks nice. There's gonna be a ton of lights in this garage. They have a ton of lighting in here. They use can lights instead of those fluorescents, which I thought was a smart choice. And as I said, we just did all this AC work. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy how fast these things turn from literally the slab that you saw in this video to now what we're walking through. Here is the laundry room. It's gonna be a crazy setup, but I think you're gonna have a ton of counter space with this one. I think it's gonna come out really good and be a very good utility of the house, right? I mean, a ton of counter space you can't ever go wrong with. Big open floor plans you can't go wrong with. And then also, this is gonna be a really cool master bedroom. 2 natural windows right here. You're gonna have a cool ceiling, vaulted ceiling addition. It's big, but it's not big enough. I don't personally think it's big enough. But to each their own, right? The homeowner is very happy with it, so I am happy. And then here is, you're gonna kind of start seeing that our houses have a very similar use of the master bathroom. I just truly feel this is the best option. Sorry if it's windy, it's literally going crazy. But you're gonna have your bathroom, you're gonna have your bathtub right here, so you can literally be, you know, hi Sally, how's the kids, right? Could you come wash my back? No? Okay, all right, thanks Sally. You have a cool option here. This is a his and a her closet, or just, you know, the partner and partner closet, whatever. I thought that's really cool because personally, I like my own space. So having all my suits and stuff, and then, you know, having her dresses over there, I think it really works out. And then you're gonna have a great tiled shower in here. So let me just show you how this will work, you know? You're like, wonder what Sally's doing. All right, and then last but not least, you know, my favorite thing, I learned this term like 7 years ago, a water closet. That's where you poop, yeah. People poop. Doesn't make it, why are you making it weird? So as far as job site cleanliness, the front kind of drives me bad, crazy, not bad, drives me bad, right? But back here is more normal. We're actually gonna be getting all this bricked up, so I love to see progress. I love to see the house get brick on it. I love to see the house get the sheetrock on it. You know why? Because it's progress, and it's big progress, so hopefully you guys enjoy seeing it. Check out the beautiful patio right here that we have. Plenty of room for entertaining, cooking, grilling, doing whatever you need to do. And then also, all of my houses come on about a half-acre lot. So this is the beautiful backyard that you get to go look at. Good news is, saves you about 10,000 bucks because the neighbor has a fence, the other neighbor has a fence. So truth be told, you just have to put on one side. So that's a huge money saver right there. And then also just check out the rear of this house. I think it's a really cool one. I'm very excited, and all that being said, that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up that like button, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell. I'm telling you, between me and B, we go through so much effort to make these videos. I really hope you enjoy them. Leave a nice comment, tell us how you feel, and then also, please remember that I 100% believe in you. I know you can do anything you set your mind to, and never let anyone tell you different. I'm always gonna be sharing my wins, my losses, and just the lessons I learned along the way. So, I hope you have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you, and hopefully a sheetrocked house, on the next one.